Hello, welcome to C programming tutorial. Today we will learn about arithmetic and assignment operator. So, what is arithmetic operators? The addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus these are the arithmetic operators. So, what the addition sign does, it adds the two numbers. What the subtraction sign does, it subtracts the two numbers. And what multiplication does, it multiplies the two numbers. And what division does, it divides the two numbers. And what multiplication does, what modulus does, it returns or prints the remainder after division. So let us go to the code and see what happens here. So here is our new file that is written in arithmetic.c. So here first of all we take a data type that is a integer and initialize with 100. Okay, again we take another integer and initialize with 50. Okay, and if I initialize another number with c and do a plus b and give it to printf, so it will print, let's see what it prints. Okay, here is another mistake. Okay, it will print 150 because I have added 100 with 50. Now if I give here minus, what it will return, let's see, it will return 50 only because I have subtracted 100 with 50. And if I add and if I give here multiplication sign, then that is asterisk sign, then it will return 5000, that is 100 into 50 is 5000. And if I give here slash sign, that is division sign, it will return me only 2 because 50, if I divide 100 with 50, it will give the remainder 2. And again, now if I give a modulus sign, that is percentage sign, what it will return, hope so it will return 0, because if I divide 50 with 100, it will return only 0 and there is no remainder, and the answer will be only 2. So let's see. Yes, my assumption is right, and that is 2. And the modulus sign or the percentage sign only returns the remainder. Okay, so if I give here float number, and if I also give here float number, but if I keep it as integer, then it will only print the integer number, not the float number. Let's see. Okay, first of all I need to cancel this console. Okay, so I need to give a float or else it will not take. If I give a plus, okay, here it is seen that it has given 0. Why 0? I have added 100 plus 50, and let's see what happens if I give here integer, what it will take. Let's see. I didn't save the result. Okay, now it's 150, and if I give a float, what it will return, let's see. We cancel it. It is returning the same as 0. Okay, so this is our arithmetic operators. Now how to take it as the in user input. Let me declare it on integer and same it as integer, and let me remove the initialize components, and again I'm deleting it, and I will declare a plus b up here. So it shows the result, and I will give her a comment that enter first number or enter second number. Through scanf, it takes input from the integer. Okay, I have given here percentage %d, that is a formal specifier which indicates that it will take the integer values only. And now let me print it. Let's see that I have printf enter first number, then it will take first number from a from the user, and printf second number, then it will take scanf from the user in b, and it will print the result a plus b. So let's see. Okay, enter first number, let me enter 800. And enter the second number, let me enter 30, and it will result 830, and that's the result. That's the result of the addition. So like this, you will take the user input and give the results. So now let us move on assignment operator. So what is assignment operators? Alright, so these are the assignment operators that indicates plus with is equal to, minus with is equal to, multiplication with is equal to, division with is equal to, and modulus with is equal to. And here is the example of the code and the equivalent format. If I initialize x with any of the numbers and take y, then it will add the numbers with y. We won't need to change the number that is initialized with the value of x. So if I go to the code, it will be very much easy for you to understand. So let me take integer as the data type, and I'm initializing is at 40a, and again int b. Okay, and now I will print the number. Okay, I have initialized a with 40, and I have kept b as blank uninitialized. Now I will take b from the scanf from the user input. Let me declare it in a comment. All right, let's see. I haven't given a semicolon. Okay, if I enter here 20, it will give me 60 because my first initialized number is a, and I have added a plus is equal to b. That means if I add any number with b, it will automatically add with 40, and it will give the answer. So if in that case, if I give here minus, what will it work? If I give her 10, it will give the result 50. Okay, then again I reinitialize it, build and comment. So if I give here 40, it will give me 0 because 40 minus 40 is 0. And like this way, the arithmetic and assignment operator works. So let me give you a project. So the project is on, you have to create a calculator which which shows every calculation from addition to division. Let me write it. So here is our project. That project 1, write a program that calculates two numbers addition, subtraction, multiplication and division with any of the data type. In this project you can use any of the data type like integer, float, and or double, or any of the data type you can use, but and you can it will be printed, and it will execute only addition, subtraction, multiplication, and up to division. I hope you like the tutorial, and it will be very much effective for you, and I will write the project name in the description box. Thank you so much. And this is our YouTube link and Facebook link. If you have any query regarding our videos, please write comment or contact us via Facebook. Thank you so much for cooperating us, and thank you.